In this video, I'm going to jumble up all the questions. So you're going to get percentage increase, percentage decrease. You're going to get fractions this, fractions that. I'm going to jumble them all up. Okay. So you're told that let's say London's here. The population of London, let's say it's 7 million, and you're told that 6% are between 0 and 4 years old. I want to know the number of people between 0 and 4 years old. The number of people. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so your diagram should look something like this. 0, 0, 1. 1 here represents a whole thing. In this case, it's the total population. And 50% is around here. Well, 6% would be somewhere down here, 0.06. So really, you want this figure here. What's 6% of the whole population? So calculator, clear this. So it's 0.06 times the whole population, which is 7 million. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 equals 420,000 here. Okay, so this number here represents the number of kids between 0 or babies between 0 and 4 years old. Okay, and by the way, if you get this figure here and divide it by this figure here, it should take you to this level here, which is 0.06. You can try it. Well, you try it for yourself. Okay. All right. Next question here. Let's say you're in a shop, you want to buy this teddy bear. It costs this much, and the shopkeeper is going to give you 2/7 off. So how much do you need to pay for this teddy bear? So press pause and have a go. Alright, so draw your diagram here. 0, 0, 1. 1 represents a whole thing here. So 50% mark is here. Oh wait, we don't need the 50% mark because we're dealing with fractions. So what this means is split this the teddy bear up into 7 equal parts. Okay, that's this bit here. Okay, 7. What's happening is, well, split it into 7 equal parts. Okay, so you've got 7 parts here, and the shopkeeper is saying that you don't need to pay for these 2 bits. Just pay for these 5 bits. So really, you want to know this 5/7 of well, at this level here. What is that? Well, now it's just a matter of getting 5/7. Well, inside your mind, just get the whole teddy bear divided by 7, because you're splitting into 7 parts, 7 equal parts here, and then you're going to take 5 parts. Okay, so you times it by 5. So anyway, you want to know this figure here. So let's try and figure it out. So here, the whole thing is 37.38. Okay. Now split this thing into 7 equal parts. So divided by 7 equals, and now you're going to take 5 parts. So this 5.34 represents just 1 part here. Well, you want 5 parts here. So get that and times it by 5. Okay, equals 26.7. Because we're working with money, put the 0 in there, so it's cents here. So yeah, so start with this, divided by 7, because you're dividing into 7 equal parts, and then times it by 5. Or you can just basically get 5/7 times the original. You can just do that. Remember, when you times a fraction, it gets multiplied to the top. So you could just get 5 times this and then divided by 7. It doesn't matter which way you do it. Well, earlier I told you to get this thing here, divide it into 7 equal parts, and then times 5. Yeah, do whichever way you want. Okay. All right, next question here. Let's say you're a manager of the iPad factory. Normally per month, you're going to turn out 500 iPads. But but you're told that there's been a reduction of 14%. So how many iPads have been turning out this month? So normally it's 500 iPads. This factory can make 500 iPads per month. And this month you've received a report saying that there's a 14% reduction, meaning a 14% decrease. So how many iPads did your factory turn out this month? Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so draw your diagram. It will look something like this: 0, 0, 1, and 500. That's your original there. And remember that there's a 14% decrease. So you were here, and then there's going to be 14% decrease. So this level here would be 0.86, because you've lost 0.14. So you lost 14%. Remember, you've got 100 pieces. You've lost 14%. So what's left is 0.86. So now it's just a matter of figuring out this value here. So it's always this times this, and then that would take you to this stage here. Okay, so it's a matter of why that 500 times 0.86 equals 430. So for that month, your factory turned out 430 iPads. I know most of you would work out 14% of this. We'll work out this value, and then get this, take away this value. It just takes so long, this method. Just jump to this magical figure here. The hard part is figuring out this decimal here, and then once you've got this figure, jump straight to here, rather than working out 14% of that and then get 500, take away this value. It just takes too long. Just work out this value here. Okay. Next question here. Let's say you're going to lend me £328. I promise you I will pay you back in a month's time with 7.2% interest. So at the end of the month, how much do I need to pay you? Okay, so you're lending me this amount here, and then I will give you 7.2% interest. So how much do I need to pay back to you at the end of the month? So press pause and have a go. Okay, so your diagram should look something like this. 0, one whole amount would be 328. I'm going to give you an extra 7%, so it will be 1.072. Have a quick glance at the two digits here. That's 7%. Okay, so 7.2 would be that. So what is this value here? So well, I'm going to get this times this, and then it would take me to this stage here. Well, it's always original times whatever it is over here, and then that will take you to that level. So calculator, clear it. 328 times 1.072 equals 351.62. So that's if you lend me this amount, I will need to pay you back £351.62. Okay. Right. Next question here. Oh no, that's it. Okay.